What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to any TV without Bluetooth. So over here I have the older model of Samsung TV without Bluetooth, but it doesn't matter the type or brand of TV you have. If you actually want to be able to connect any Bluetooth speaker to your TV and your TV does not have the Bluetooth feature, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. Now basically I'll be offering two solutions in this particular video, and trust me, one of the two solutions is definitely going to work out pretty well for you. It doesn't matter the brand, whether it's a Hisense TV, an LG TV, any brand of TV at all that does not have Bluetooth. Now for the first method, what you have to keep in mind is that sometimes most of the popular TV brands actually insert the Bluetooth features on their TV, but this feature is not activated until a later time. So the TV brand might choose to activate the Bluetooth feature over time by simply pushing an update to the TVs that particular feature is actually enabled for. Now what this means is that sometimes by simply updating your TV, you might be able to get the Bluetooth feature on your TV. All you just have to do is to head over to the settings of your TV, go ahead and click on the settings, and usually you want to come over to the support or about option depending on the brand of TV you have. Now from the support, you're going to see the software update over there. Now go ahead and select it, and if there is actually an update, you want to go ahead and make sure you update your TV, but then also make sure it is connected to the internet so that the update will actually be activated. And trust me, after updating your TV, if you're lucky enough, you might be able to activate the Bluetooth feature on your own older model of smart TV without Bluetooth. But again, this does not work all of the time, so if you do not get the Bluetooth feature after updating your TV, you don't have to worry. Just go ahead and try the second solution. Now for my second solution, all you just have to do is to get a Bluetooth adapter that looks exactly just like this. Now this is actually a 2-in-1 Bluetooth adapter. It is both a Bluetooth transmitter and a Bluetooth receiver at the same time. I got this for about $5, but you can actually get it for about $5 to $10 depending on where you're getting it from. I'm also going to be leaving a link to this particular device in the description of this video. Now what this particular device does is to enable us get Bluetooth audio from any TV at all, and it works pretty well. All you just have to do, as you can see the device over here, it has a USB dongle at this top over here, and over here it has a button. It is actually a transmitter and a receiver. The device also comes with this 3.5mm headphone jack over here. Now once you get this device, what you want to do first and foremost is to go ahead and connect one end of the 3.5mm headphone jack to the transmitter side of your USB adapter. So just go ahead and connect it to this port over here, and then if your TV actually has a 3.5mm headphone port on it, you can go ahead and connect the other end of this cable to the headphone jack port on your TV. However, if your TV does not have the 3.5mm headphone jack, like mine over here does not actually have the 3.5mm headphone jack, in that case you will have to get an aux cable that looks just like this. This is actually a popular cable that has a headphone jack in one end, and then on the other end it has an audio output cable. Now what you want to do in this particular case, if your TV does not have the headphone jack port where you should be able to connect from the Bluetooth adapter device directly into the TV, instead of using the headphone jack to headphone jack cable, you want to go ahead and use this aux cable, connect the headphone jack part of the cable into the transmitter port, and then you also want to go ahead and connect these two other cable over here to the audio out port on your TV. Definitely your TV should actually come with an audio out port that looks just like this. So you want to go ahead and connect the red to the red side of your TV, and then the black to the black or white part of these cables on your TV. It should actually be under the audio part, that is the part that is labeled audio. And once you're done, you can now go ahead and connect the USB part of this particular device to any of the USB ports on your TV. So I'll go ahead and connect mine just like so. Now once the device is connected to your TV, you're actually going to notice that the blue light over here will start to blink, and over here my Bluetooth speaker is actually on pairing mode. You just want to go ahead and give both devices some few minutes, and just like so, the light on my Bluetooth adapter over here is now steady, indicating that both devices are now automatically paired. And at this point you should be able to get all of the sound and audio from your TV to your Bluetooth speaker even though your TV does not have a Bluetooth feature. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this thing, showing you everything that comes inside of the box and setting it up all together. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.